Okay, Unit 10, Part 2. Graph the cube root function. So the function is y equal to cube root 2x. So we need to make a table and pick some special values of x and then figure out the function value y. So I choose -4, -half, 0, half, and +4. So why do I choose this special value? Because, for example, -4. -4, x is -4, so 2x, that means 2 times -4, and then cube root. This will be the y value, right? So 2 times -4, that's -8. -8 cube root, that's just -2. All right, so -half, so cube root 2 times -half, that's just the cube root -1. Cube root -1 is still -1. And then 0. 0. Cube root 2 times 0. That's still cube root 0. So it's 0. And then 1/2, the positive 1/2. That will be the cube root. So if we change this part to positive, and then the answer will be the positive 1. Yeah? So positive 1, and then when x equal to 4, the y equal to +4. So now we have all this point. Now I can plot all of them on the graph. So x is equal to -4, y equal to -2. Let me do the first point. The -4, -2. It should be right here. And then -half, x equal to -half, y equal to -1. So negative should be right here. Should be right here. So this is -1. -half should be here. So x equal to -half, and then y value is -1 right here. Yeah, so this is the point. Okay, next one, 0, 0, right here. And then half, 1 here. X equal to 4, y equal to 2, the last point. And then we graph them, we connect those points, and make it a little longer. This is the graph of cube root 2x. Okay, the next one is number 8. Number 8, y equal to cube root -x over 3. This one, I still have to make a table. Choose a 5 point maybe. So in the middle, my point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will choose 0. Because when x is equal to 0, 0 divided by 3 is still 0, negative, so it's 0. So now I'm going to choose 3. I'm going to choose -3. So when x equal to -3, so the y value will be negative. Replace x by -3, -3 over 3. This is cube root 1, right? And cube root 1 is still 1. So when x equal to -3, y equal to 1. Then I can use the positive 1. So +3. +3 over 3. This is cube root 1, -1. So this is -1. So x equal to +3. Y equal to -1. So now I'm going to choose another value. Should I? I'm looking at the graph on your paper. Is the biggest value on x and the y axis is just from -2 to 2. Maybe this 4 will work. So let me plot the first point. X equal to -3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First value, first point, x equal to -3. Y equal to 1 should be here. And then 0, 0, +3, -1. The graph should look like maybe we should choose another point. 0, 1. But the graphing plane is so small, so maybe we just do this. I'm not sure the graph should look like this. Yeah, should look like this. Like that goes to 0. Yeah. You can also use a graphing calculator, Desmo.com, and plug in the function and check the graph.